Good evening and welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Dr. Nandita Mohan and let's look into today's reports. Tapiranoff cream found to be effective for patients with plaque psoriasis. Tapiranoff cream is a topical aryl hydrocarbon receptor, often modulating agent under investigation for psoriasis treatment for a long time. Tapiranoff, it modulates the expression of interleukin 17 and the skin barrier protein fligerin as well as loriscrin. A team of researchers conducted two identical phase 3 randomized trials of this particular cream in patients with mild to moderate or even severe cases of plaque psoriasis. The study finds that two identical phase 3 trials showed that once daily application of Tapiranoff 1% cream found to be superior to vehicle control in reducing plaque psoriasis severity over a period of 12 weeks. However, the cream was found to be associated with local mild to moderate adverse events and even headaches. The study was researched and published in the New England Journal of Medicine. Severe COVID could reduce male fertility, finds a new study. Each day, clinicians as well as scientists are learning more and more about the acute and long-term health effects of COVID-19 on the overall body. A new study conducted from the University of Georgia explores the potential impact of the virus on male fertility. The article that was recently published in Nature Reviews Urology reviews the ways SARS-CoV-2 might target and even infect the testicular cells. The authors also provide an experimental framework for tracking how the virus could impact the testicular function as well as the fertility in acute COVID-19 severely affected patients. The authors reviewed that the available evidence on SARS-CoV-2's interaction with the testicular cells in the body, past research on the impact of other SARS-CoV viruses on the testes, as well as this reports that the patients determine how COVID could be interacting with the testicular tissues as well as its function. Melatonin may exacerbate asthma, leading to nocturnal symptoms. Patients with asthma often experience a worsening of asthmatic symptoms at night in so-called nocturnal asthma condition. According to reports, more than 50% of the asthma deaths occur at night, exposing a link that has been found between nocturnal asthma symptoms as well as the asthma deaths. The research paper was published in the American Journal of Physiology, Lung Cellular and Molecular Physiology Journal, and suggested that melatonin, which is often a prescribed drug for insomnia, favors a state of bronchoconstriction and weakens the relaxing effect of a bronchodilator through the modulation as well as the activation of the melatonin MT2 receptor. Although serum concentration of melatonin did not significantly induce the airway constriction, that is the bronchoconstriction aspect, greater doses of melatonin, which is clinically used to treat insomnia, jet lag or even cancer, worsened the asthma symptoms and impaired the therapeutic effect of bronchodilators. Lupus, a harmful trigger for macular degeneration. Researchers at the University of Virginia School of Medicine have made a discovery linking lupus, a potentially debilitating autoimmune disorder, and macular degeneration, which is a leading cause of blindness. The two diseases have often shared a common contributor to harmful inflammation, the scientists of that particular university revealed. The insights could let researchers develop new treatments for those diseases and even other conditions that have been driven by the newly discovered inflammation source. These findings indicate that blocking a single inflammation zone might not be enough and that targeting both the NLRC4 as well as the NLRC3 P3 inflammasomes would be a superior strategy. They have been published, their findings, in the scientific journal Science Immunology. That's all for today. I shall see you tomorrow.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.